guys, so today's video is going to be a last minute quick Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I really like how this look turned out. I put like a little spin on it with some glitter in the center. Everything else is pretty pink. So if you want to see how I got this tutorial, just keep on watching. To get on to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like this look, and let me know in the comment section down below what you are going to be doing for Valentine's Day. So let's get on to the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Desi and Katy Dose of Colors collaboration, the Friendcation palette, and I'm going to be taking this brownie shade as my transition color, and I think the shade name is Churro. So now I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors Snow Angels palette, and I'm going to be taking that pink shade in the palette and applying that into my crease. And I just have to say, you guys, I love Dose of Colors eyeshadows. They're so smooth, creamy, pigmented, and so easy to blend. Now I'm going to be taking my Dirty Renaissance palette from Anastasia. I've had this palette for like 3 years now, and I'm going to be taking Love Letter, and I'm just going to be applying that in my crease as well, just to mix the shade from the Dose of Colors palette and Love Letter together to get like a darker pink. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer to cut my crease. Now, I am not good at cut creases, so I don't even think I did a good cut crease. But anyways, I just thought I would do this, so I cut my crease using this concealer right here. Let me know if you guys see a cut crease, by the way, in this look. If you don't, just tell me the truth. Be honest with me. So I'm going back into my Dose of Colors with Desi and Katy palette, and I'm using that beautiful shimmery pink, and I think it's called Try Me. I don't know if I'm saying the right names of these colors, because I know with my other palettes sometimes like the names will be like backwards and like it's not meant for that specific shade. So if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section the right names. And on top of that pink shade, I went in with my e.l.f. Aqua Liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. And now I went back into that pinky, beautiful, shimmering shade from the Dose of Color and Desi and Katy palette. I'm going to put that on top of the Rose Gold. So now I'm going to apply the NYX glitter glue on just the center of my lids, because that's where I'm going to be putting that glitter. And with the glitter, I make sure to be very careful and pat it onto my lids very slowly and very carefully. And now I'm going to be using my Tarte Camera Lights Action eyeliner, and I'm just going to be attempting to do a wing. So I went back to my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I took Venetian Red and I just smudged that on top of my eyeliner. And to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I took the ColourPop Supershock shadow in the shade Jinxie. So I just used a makeup wipe to wipe out all the fallout I had from the eyeshadow and the glitter. So now I'm just priming my face with the Becca Perfecting Base. This is the Velvet Blurring Primer. And for foundation, I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Matte Blend foundation. I am in the shade D40, and I'm going to be taking this Love Is the Foundation brush to blend the foundation on my face. So now I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to highlight my face with this concealer. And now to set that concealer, I'm taking the Milani setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm using that to set everything. And now to bronze my skin, I'm taking the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahagony. And now for blush, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2 blush palette, and I'm taking that pretty pinky shade and applying it to apples of my cheeks. And I also decided to go in with that pretty corally orangey shade and apply that on the top of that pinky shade. And now for highlight, I'm going to be mixing these two Wet n Wild Mega Glow Liquid Halo highlighters, and these highlighters are so beautiful and so blinding, and they are honestly some of my favorite highlighters from the drugstore. Now I'm going to be smudging my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using that corally orangey shade from the Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm going to be using that as the first shade to smudge my lower lash line with. Now I'm going to be taking Love Letter, and I'm going to be using that as well on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking Venetian Red and applying that on top of Love Letter. For mascara, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is honestly probably one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. I still haven't bought the full size of it, but I am going to do that so soon. And I didn't apply any falsies because honestly I didn't feel like it, but if you want to apply falsies to this look, you can. And then for the lips, I use my Wet n Wild lip liner, and Wet n Wild makes some amazing lip liners. Like, this is one of my favorite lip liners. It's such a beautiful berry shade, and I love it on its own so much. But yeah, so I took my lip liner, and I'm gonna go on top of it with my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick. And yeah, I love the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick so much. They're so comfortable, so pigmented, and they're the best liquid lipstick formula I've tried so far. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I really wish you a great Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.